bit, got to go to the shop and get some tools and everything. We're going to lsswap the Tahoe. I'm so ready for it. I already got the cam and everything that I'm gonna get. Got it ready for order. Gonna order some aluminum flat top pistons. It's gonna be the 5.3 LS. Fixing the head over there now, and y'all stay tuned. Well, boys, finally got the motor out, and now I gotta pull out all the harness shit. It's a fun thing to do. Well, guys, finally got the PCM out. Luckily, this Escalade had a 411 PCM, so I guess I'm gonna be doing the 411 PCM in a Tahoe. I guess that's about all I gotta get, as far as I know of. I'm gonna end up sending up this computer to a guy to get it built for me for about 450 bucks, a guy in Massachusetts. So, anyway, I'll keep y'all updated. I feel sorry for anybody that has to take a motor apart in 85 plus degree weather. 70 degree plus weather, man. It sucked. Luckily, when I got there, the guy already had everything cut off, really. So all I had to do was just disconnect the harness and pull the motor straight out, thank God. So I was there for about 30 minutes, and then had to disconnect the PCM and everything. I got it loaded up in the back. But anyway, super excited to get this build started. Been wanting to do this for a long time. But anyways.
girls with their nails done now. Girls with their nails done. I like the girls with their nails done. Girls with their nails done. Girls with their nails done now. Girls with their nails done. I like the girls with their nails done. Girls with their nails done now.
Sweet mother of God. That is thick as doo-doo. Holy crap, that's so bad. I'm definitely going to take this to the machine shop and get a cleaning on it. Holy crap. Now that I got everything on, like all the accessories off, really, just got to take the coil packs off and sit it on the engine stand and let me work on it. Man, that's horrible. Don't forget, wherever you take these bolts off, put them in a bag and mark them for what you have them in there for. For like these are the coil pack. I'm gonna put coil pack mount bolts or something and put them all in one bag. That's all for part one. The only accessory I did not pull off was the exhaust. There's 12 10mm bolts holding them on each side. But I'll do that in the part two video. It's getting dark on the outside, so I'm fixing to go to the house and go get me something to eat. But anyways, I hope y'all enjoyed this part one of many different parts to go. I think in part two is going to be the complete engine teardown. I haven't decided on what all I'm going to get yet as far as like bearing wise goes. I'm going to take them apart and examine it, make sure all my bearings are good, because if they're good, there's no reason to change them. But you never know, the way that motor's looking, she don't look so good. But anyways, y'all have a good one.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.